river again. You're actually driving like 329 feet, 15 miles an hour. I did see some daylight under the front tires.